Today, we unlock two of the most distinctive and beautiful sounds in the Arabic language. Mastering them will truly deepen your connection to the Quran. Get ready to discover the magic of the throat letters. Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to Learn Quran. You've been building an amazing foundation. Today, we add the letters R and Gri to your Arabic alphabet. First, we have I. This letter is called Ayn. It is a truly unique sound. Listen closely. Ah, again. Ah, and one more time. Ah. To make the sound of Ayn, you need to use the very middle of your throat. It's like a deep, gentle squeeze. There's no direct English equivalent, so we need to train our muscles. Imagine you are lifting something incredibly heavy. That soft grunting sound. That comes from deep in your throat? That's the muscle you need to engage. Try it with me now. Push from the very back of your throat, a soft, controlled Good. Now let's add a fatha, the A sound. We say I. Listen, I. You try, I. Excellent. Keep practicing that deep throat engagement. Now let's introduce Gri. This letter is called Ghayn. It's also made deep in your throat, just slightly higher than Ayn. Listen, Gai. Again, Gai. And one more time, Gai. The sound of Ghayn is often compared to a French R or a gentle gargling sound. Imagine you're gargling water, but without the water. It's a soft, continuous rumble from the back of your throat. Try to make that gargling sound now. Feel the vibration in your throat. Perfect. Let's add a fatha to Ghayn. We say Ga. Listen, Ga. You try, Ga. Wonderful. Now let's see these unique letters in action with some words from the Quran. Our first word uses A. This is Samira. He heard. Listen again, focusing on that middle Ayn. Samira. The Ayn gives it that distinct throat sound. Next, a word with Gri. This is Ghafur. It means forgiving, a beautiful attribute of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Listen for the gain at the beginning, Ghafur. Notice that gentle gargle sound. Now another word with I. This is Abdun. It means servant. Here the Ayn is at the very beginning. Listen, Abdun. Feel that throat engagement right away. Our next word is maghfiratun. This means forgiveness. You'll find the Ghayn in the middle of this word. Listen, maghfiratun. Finally, a word ending with Ayn. This is wasi'un. It means vast or all-encompassing, another attribute of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Listen, wasi'un. The Ayn gives it a clear, distinct ending. It's time to practice together. Remember to really engage those throat muscles. I will say the letter or word, then you repeat after me. Let's build your confidence. I say, ah. You say, ah. Great effort. I say, I. You say, I. Feeling that throat? I say, gi. You say, gi. Fantastic. I say, gi. You say, gi. Keep that gentle gargle going. I say, semira. You say, semira. Excellent. I say, ghafurun. You say, ghafurun. You're doing so well with these challenging sounds. MashaAllah, you just learned the truly distinctive throat letters, Ah, Ayn, and Gi, Ghayn. These are challenging sounds, and you've taken a significant step in mastering Quranic pronunciation. Your effort and dedication are truly commendable. Remember, consistent practice of these sounds will make them natural. Keep going. You're doing great.